Hi, welcome to this value-based FM video blog, and you are watching the 10th installment of this year's themes on FM performance improvement. Just a quick recap on the last blog that we made, installment number 9. We talked about how to justify for implementing technology for FM. This blog, today's blog, will be a continuation because someone asked, in fact few asked about how to go about demonstrating this and whether can I give an example. Yes, of course I can. I'll be happy to because you asked. Okay, just a quick recap. In the last blog, right, I talked about starting off with shortlisting. Which are the potential activities in FM that is a good candidate for implementing digitalization, such as internal staff, operation expense, duration, level of service, and customer satisfaction. Then we go on to talk about the qualitative aspect for justifying the implementation of the technology application, right? And today I'm going to demonstrate not only the quantitative aspect but also qualitative by giving you an example to demonstrate on the return on investment. This is the example of the justification, and for those who missed this, I suggest that you watch the previous blog. So today I'm going to demonstrate on how to go about justifying the implementation of a CMMS or IWMS, in short, computerized maintenance management system, or the integrated management systems for facility management. First, I will demonstrate to you the quantitative, which is the language understood by the top management. Second, the qualitative, to impress upon, to get buy-in, and very important, I've seen many cases that the implementation work out well, but it is the progress, the maintenance on the use of the software, that's where it progressively becoming a white elephant, which I do not want you to experience that, because there's a lot of good benefit in digitalizing and use of software for your facilities operations work orders. Okay, take for example, if your facilities operation expenses is about 900,000 per year, and by using this technology, use of software, if there's a potential of saving 7%, so what have you got? 63,000, right? You just use the expenses multiplied by 7%, you get this. And says to get started to implement a couple of modules of a software for computerized maintenance management system or the integrated workplace management system, costing about 50,000. And the ROI is one of the simplest language understood by the financial people or the top management people, 25%. And this is a good number because usually the hurdle rates for decision making by the top management is there about 14 to 15%, depend on the industry. And in this case, 25% pose a very positive and encouraging kind of investment for return for the facilities operation. Okay, on the qualitative aspect, all right, you can state these reasons like improving the facilities operations effectiveness and efficiency, and the fact that software is able to enable digitalization of the work orders and management. It enables to churn report on the resource utilization, whether it's the material or manpower, so on and so forth. Store historical record and activities so that you can review and evaluate, and enable resource leveling. This is especially beneficial and useful, especially during the peak period. As mentioned, churning of operations report can be reporting on the planned maintenance, predictive maintenance, forecasting, reporting on the planned versus the unplanned maintenance to understand what is the backlog, right, and why backlog happen, so that a solution can be implemented to avoid the backlog. When backlog has been reduced, as such, the reliability of the facility system and their equipment will increase. I hope this explanation helps you to build confidence in getting started in initiating facilities improvement for your facilities management operations. One last thing, which I thought very important. Right, here are some important tips when getting started and using it on a routine basis. As mentioned, getting started is kind of easy, right? Getting rolling, you have the consultant to push and everyone is excited. But it is during the maintenance period that is a challenge, whereby for those who are not convinced or those who haven't gotten the buy-in, right? Why implement or automate the work management system, right? If psychologically you cannot impact positively on their thinking, their feeling will be negative. As such, it impacts on their action. As such, the consequences maybe it may end up being a white elephant, which personally I have witnessed a few of my clients that came to me to review what is happening. It is not so much on the processes, but on the psychological effect on the department as a whole, and also to persevere with the discipline to press on, right? To sustain the operations of the work management system. And very important that you need to impress upon your team members will be based on what is in it for me. Why is it advantage to the department? Yes, they've hurt you, but how about the benefit to themselves? And that is where you need to impress upon them. Why this computerized maintenance management system has advantages for them. It's important that as you progress, as you sustain the use of the computerized maintenance management system, to regularly communicate on the performance of the department as a functional performance. And also remember to review on a periodic basis on the individual progress in meeting their performance target. So in this case, you are incorporating what we have talked about when cascading from the demand organization, strategic planning, to the functional policy, objective, targets. Yes, this is where it can be incorporated into software technology like this to help sustain and to keep the direction focus on what you need to achieve the targets, depending on the each and every member of the team. Okay, so much for this blog, and it makes my work easier if you were to post question, right? It's not about me sharing with you what my thought, but also the purpose for this blog is really to equip FM practitioner with the knowledge and skill from my know-how, my experience, so that together we can raise this recognition of FM as a value add and business advantage. For those of you who are joining and watching this for the first time, if you find this beneficial to you, please do subscribe to this blog so that you will be informed whenever there's a new blog has been introduced. So do take care, and I see you first Wednesday next month. Alright, goodbye.